This faceless YouTube channel is getting thousands of views without recording a single video, without editing anything, and without any experience. And the crazy part? Anyone can do this using AI. So in this video, I'm going to show you a complete beginner system, how you can create videos using AI, turn that into content, and actually start building something that can grow. No complicated setup, no technical skills, just a simple system that works. Let's get started. First, you need an idea, but don't overthink it. Simple topics work best. Things like motivation, self-improvement, AI tools, or making money online. For example, you can use a prompt like, create a short motivational video about someone who starts with nothing and becomes successful through consistency. Keep it simple, emotional, and engaging with a strong message. Once you have your idea, just drop it into the AI. Inside the tool, you'll see multiple options. Don't get confused. For beginners, we only need one thing: text to video. This is the easiest way to turn an idea into a full video. Now choose your language. It supports multiple options, so you're not limited. Next, pick your music style based on your content. For motivational videos, something emotional or uplifting works best. Then choose an image style. Clean and minimal usually performs better. After that, select a voice. Always go with something natural and clear. Avoid robotic voices. Now choose your script style. And you're ready. Within seconds, the AI generates the entire script for your video. You don't have to write anything. Just click continue and it starts building everything automatically. Visuals, voiceover, timing, all done for you. In a few moments, your full video is ready.
He had nothing but a dream and a relentless drive. Every day began the same way. He woke up before dawn, fueled by a vision only he could see. With an old laptop on a makeshift desk, he started building, brick by digital brick. Each setback was a lesson, each failure a stepping stone. Time and again, he faced closed doors, but his spirit was unyielding. Consistency was his ally, turning small actions into monumental shifts. As months turned into years, the whispers of doubt faded into silence. He had no secret formula, just pure grit and unwavering faith in his purpose. Slowly, success began to unfold like a sunrise after a long night. He found himself standing on the stage, the spotlight on him, the world finally recognizing what he had always known. His journey wasn't about luck or shortcuts, it was about resilience and the power of showing up every day. Remember, you don't need to be the smartest or the fastest. You just need to be consistent.
If you want, you can edit it. You can trim parts, swap visuals, adjust the voice, or even add your own clips. And once you're done, just export it. Your video is ready. But here's where most people make mistakes. They stop here. Creating the video is easy. Growing a channel is the real game. So now let me show you how to actually set this up properly. Now that your video is ready, don't just upload it randomly. If you want the algorithm to actually find your audience, you need to set up your channel the right way. Go to YouTube or TikTok and create a new channel. Pick one niche and stick to it. If you choose motivation, stay in motivation. If you choose AI, stay in AI. Don't mix random content. Now for your channel name and branding, you can use ChatGPT. Just type something like, give me 10 modern and unique YouTube channel names for an AI or motivation niche. Pick a name that sounds clean and easy to remember. Next, keywords. This is important. Ask ChatGPT, give me SEO keywords for a YouTube channel about AI tools, faceless videos, and making money online. Copy those keywords and paste them into your channel settings. This helps YouTube understand your content and push it to the right audience. For your profile picture and banner, use AI tools. Keep it simple. Don't over-design. Minimalism always works better. Now, when uploading your video, don't just post it and leave. Use a title that creates curiosity. Write a description that includes your main keywords naturally. And most importantly, stay consistent. Even one video per day can build momentum. You don't need perfect videos. You need consistent videos. because the more content you put out, the higher your chances of getting picked up by the algorithm. And once one video starts performing, everything starts compounding. This is not instant money, but this is a system. And systems, when repeated, always win. So if you've been waiting to start, this is your sign. Start simple, stay consistent, and let the process work for you. And if you want more simple AI systems like this, make sure to subscribe. I'll keep breaking them down step by step.